Let me ask you something. When someone searches for something online, what are they really looking for? It might seem obvious, but understanding what users want is the foundation of SEO. And that's exactly what we're exploring here, search intent. Specifically, the four core intent types you need to know: informational, navigational, transactional, and commercial. Search intent is the reason behind a user's search. It's the purpose, the goal, the question they want answered. If you can identify this intent, you can create content that matches it perfectly, and that's how you dominate search results. 1. Informational intent. Seeking answers or learning something. Users with informational intent are looking for knowledge. They want to learn, explore, or solve a problem. They're asking questions like, how to bake chocolate chip cookies? What is digital marketing? Best SEO tools for beginners. If you want to rank for informational searches, your content needs to be detailed, well-researched, and easy to understand. Think of blog posts, guides, how-to articles, and explainer videos. 2. Navigational intent. Looking for a specific website or brand. This is when users know exactly where they want to go. They're just using a search engine to get there. It's like using Google as a shortcut. Examples include Facebook login, Amazon customer support, Studica digital marketing agency. If you're targeting navigational intent, your brand's name and website need to be visible. Make sure your homepage is optimized and consider using branded keywords in your content. 3. Transactional intent. Ready to take action or make a purchase. Users with transactional intent are ready to make a decision. They're looking for products, services, subscriptions, or bookings. Examples include buy iPhone 14 Pro, cheap flights to Paris, best digital marketing courses. To capture this intent, your landing pages, product pages, and calls to action need to be clear, compelling, and optimized for conversion. Make it easy for users to take the next step. 4. Commercial intent. Researching before making a decision. This is a bit of a mix between informational and transactional. Users are exploring their options, comparing products, or reading reviews before making a purchase. Examples include best laptops for video editing, Bluehost versus SiteGround, top 10 CRM software for small businesses. To target commercial intent, you need comparison guides, product reviews, testimonials, and case studies. Your goal is to help users make an informed decision, ideally choosing you. Why understanding search intent is crucial. If you don't know what your audience is looking for, your content will miss the mark. Imagine creating a product page for a digital camera when users are actually searching for how to use a digital camera. You'll get clicks, but they won't convert. Search intent also helps you choose the right keywords. Instead of just looking for high-traffic keywords, you'll focus on keywords that match the user's purpose. This means more relevant traffic and higher conversion rates. Let me share some practical examples. Let's say you run a travel website. If someone searches for best time to visit Paris, that's informational intent. They want to learn. But if they search for Paris hotels, that's transactional. They're ready to book. Another example, a local bakery. How to make sourdough bread is informational. Best bakery near me is transactional. Knowing the difference means creating the right content for the right audience. Now, let us talk about some common mistakes to avoid. Here's what not to do. Don't try to target all intents with one piece of content. A blog post about how to choose a laptop shouldn't try to directly sell a laptop. Separate your content based on intent, some for education, some for conversion. So here's your big takeaway. Search intent is the foundation of effective SEO. If you understand what your audience is really looking for, you can create content that answers their questions, solves their problems, and guides them toward taking action. In the next topic, we're going to explore how AI understands search intent and how you can optimize your content to align with it perfectly. Ready? Let's get started.